Hello everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Mother's Day, let's talk about maximizing your profit with some smart discount strategies. Mother's Day means a massive shopping demand. Your customers are ready to buy gift for their moms. However, unlimited discounts can quickly lead to profit losses. The core problem lies in how discount can scale uncontrollably, especially with larger orders. For example, a 40% discount on a $1,200 product means a $480 markdown. This uncapped approach can severely impact your profit margins, turning potential gains into losses. The simple yet effective solution is to implement a discount cap. Adding a discount cap allows you to control the maximum discount applied, regardless of the cart size. For instance, a 40% off up to a $200 max means even on a 1,200 cart, the discount is capped at $200, protecting your profits. By implementing discount cap, you can optimize your Mother's Day sales strategies. So, if you want to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store on this Mother's Day, watch this video completely. So, before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I am using Next Discount app, which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box so you can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add for any discount code. I am adding a 40% off as my code here, giving a percentage of 40 with a cap amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that the maximum discount amount will be limited to 200 only. It will never go beyond 200. Even if the cart value, the 40% of our cart value is greater than 200, this capping amount will make sure that it will never go beyond the limit. And you can also apply the discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set it over here. I'm not preferring any minimum purchase requirement for now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can set it for all the customers or a customer having one tag or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total. Like I'm saying 100 here means this discount will be available for 100 first users. And also you can limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And you can set some active dates here, the start date, start time, end date and end time through which this code is active. Like if you're planning to run the offer for 10 days or a 1 week or a month of the Mother's Day sale, then you can set those timings and dates from here. And you can also combine this code with the existing ones like product discount, order discount or a shipping discount. So after adding all these details, you can save the changes. Now let's check whether the code has been activated from the discount section. Let's see 40% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I'm trying to buy a product of 234. I'm applying the code here. Now you can see that the $93 has been given as a discount amount to this customer with the product value of 234. So the 40% off has been applied successfully. Let's test with some other products having a higher price value. Now let's test with this product of having a worth of 5,000. I'm adding my code here. Now you can see that the 40% of the 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have capped the discount at 200, the maximum amount or maximum discount amount will be getting up to 200 only. Because this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. And that's how you set up a cap discount of $200 with a 40% off in your Mother's Day sale. So what you are waiting for, grab the link from the description box and just type out from your online store. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And please do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.